EMV, I first heard about it, to be honest with you, through Sam's Club, which was probably the first card that rolled out with the EMV chip on their Discover cards. And when I first got it, I kind of called and asked, what is this? And they kind of told me about it. And then I remembered hearing about it through the media, that they were going to start rolling out with EMV cards. And I began educating myself on them and when they would be implemented in our stores.
We regularly attend the various industry conferences, like the Retail Technology Conference here with Gilbarco, speaking with our vendors, sales reps, speaking with other retailers, people that are similar to us out there in the industry. It's really been a collaboration of the industry in a lot of ways to try to figure out how we're going to all get through this and make it profitable within our businesses. We've been working with Gilbarco in several different areas, mainly in our forecourt, trying to find ways to where we can use media or technology or new innovations coming down the pipeline to try to use those those technologies to back leverage that into where we can invest in our future, because we're having to buy the equipment regardless. So we're trying to find ways, whether it's media, print merchandising, whatever opportunities we can find to try to get some type of return out of investing in mainly the forecourt.
We're kind of taking an approach where we're following the lead of our major oil companies. We work with 2 of them, and they're really kind of putting packages together and things in place for us to kind of get that process and that ball rolling with software updates and equipment bundles and things like that. So we're really kind of taking our lead from them.
So currently right now, we are prepping EMV in the sense of, first of all, we've got to determine what assets we have in the field, and I know that sounds like a very menial task, but we really need to analyze our assets, see what dispensers we have on the forecourt, determine what are upgradable, determine what are not upgradable and what we have to replace from a forecourt perspective, determine capital expenditure costs that we're going to need to incur with that. On the inside of the store, quite frankly, it's nothing more from a Gilbarco perspective of software and some pin pad upgrades hardware-wise. So we've already initialized or started the process of when our older generation pin pads are failing, we're actually going ahead and putting in the EMV ready versions. The other thing that we're doing too is we're starting to talk to our employees already. We're already educating our staff on that because again, it's a situation of just making sure that not only is us as the retailer aware, but we're going to have to educate the consumers on some level. So that's what we're doing.